What's up, guys? Bass Boys here. Today we are at the cheese pond. Haven't fished here actually, I don't know how many days, but I haven't done any good here recently, so there hasn't been any videos really at this place. But getting here on a later afternoon on a Saturday. I actually already fished over at the school pond, got completely skunked. Maybe if I would have stuck over there past sunset, maybe I'd get lucky and start catching some fish. But I decided to come over here. I was over there for like 3 hours, nothing, so I had to change it up. So right now it's 6:30. Good time to get here, and hopefully within a couple hours, maybe things will pick up here. Maybe get a walleye, get some crappies, whatever we can get. Start out in this spot. Not sure if I'm gonna stick around here for that long. What I'm gonna be using for right now is the Legend Tournament, the walleye series, the 7-foot light. And then for bait, got my 6-cent jig, and I'm using that perch drip minnow from Berkeley, perch color. And then for my reel, it's a Shimano Sahara 1,006-pound fluoro. So we're gonna stay here as late as we can stay, which will be around 8:30. Pretty cool day out here. Not the warmest day, but it's sunny. A little bit breezy out here. But I've been catching some nice bass lately. Over there at the quarry. Things should really pick up here as we get into the early summer. But we are waiting here for sunset. Ain't gonna be for a little while. Got like about an hour. Maybe we can get lucky and get something before. It's been a pretty tough place to fish actually so far. I'm surprised. I'd get lucky and maybe catch a few bass, some crappies, but it really hasn't gotten where it should be. No walleyes yet for me. We'll see what happens here today. Just throw my bass rod out now. This wind's a little bit annoying. Just gonna go get that. That we've been trying to get. Now I got a tangle here. Alright, so let's just switch over to this. The Mojo Bass 7'3". It's a medium heavy rod. Medium heavy works best with this depth. It's 3.5 incher. When you start getting bigger baits, it's better to use medium heavy. And then it's Shimano Sahara. This is a 3,000. And I got 20-pound braid on there. So let's just try using this for now. Well, we may as well just go over the other side. I was gonna fish a spot over here, but there's people there, so I guess we just go on the other side. Waste of time, come over here. Alright, we're on the other side. We're going into the shallow water here. I ain't having no luck anywhere. But we'll try this spot. No luck at all today. What the heck did I hook? Look at that. Caught that. Bluegill right through. Smallest bluegill I've ever caught. I don't even know if he's gonna make it. Oh. Well, he might. There we go. Got something. It's a nice largemouth. Hanging out in the shallow water. It's the biggest one I've caught out here this year. Look at that one. And there we go. On that little Slab Hunter. There's good bass in the shallows. Hanging out in like 2 feet of water. Get a quick picture of this fish. Alright. Biggest bass out of the cheese pond this year. Big cheese pond bass. About time. I think I'll be sticking around. I was really thinking about leaving. I was like, I've had enough. I've had enough of this today. And I was like, I was over there fishing that one spot. And I guess I'll try this corner here, because I've had, you know, really good luck in the past here during like the spring, the late spring. And there you go. Something was hanging out. Let's see what else is lurking around in here. I'm serious though. I was like, I've had it. I'm starving. I'm getting out of here. And then what do you know? I cast to that stick there, just like the old times, like fishing this pond. You know, talking like, you know, like 5 or 6 years ago. Always try to cast that stick there, coming out of the water. There'll always be something good over there. And he was hanging out there. That might be a really good sign, because there's an island right there in the middle. And if those big bass might be coming in. Got another fish. Might be coming into that shallow area. It's just a little feller here. Maybe this is his brother here or something. Didn't think I hooked this fish that good, but apparently I did. There he is. Just a little feller. I seen somebody fishing in this spot when I got here. He obviously missed those two. This spot might finally be attracting fish now, because the spawn and these bass might be coming in here. Should be great if we can catch a smallmouth, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think they've been completely, or they have gone completely extinct here. Definitely is. Definitely some more. What we got here? It's another bass. I think I'm going to get lucky here. We're going to find some crappie too. Because usually they come into this area too. Everything does. Getting smaller. This one's even smaller than the last one. I know down here to the left too, that could be really good. I'm probably gonna get my sock amount of shad, cast that down there. There might even be a walleye lurking in here now, especially now. I switched over to the Slab Hunter. I don't know if I said anything. It was such a terrible fishing time. I didn't even mention I changed it. Well, maybe I got the snag on camera. I snagged the other thing and lost it. Kind of made me mad because I just lost another jig yesterday with that same bait. I got some fish messing with it. There we go. Some old... he came off. God dang it. We gotta try this. Sock them out of shad. I'm gonna go back to the jig though, for sure. A little bit later. But I gotta try this at least for 10 minutes. This is the Legend Tournament bass. Did I already show you guys this? I don't know. I don't think I did. 7'3" rod. Medium power, and then my Shimano Stratic 2500 20-pound braid. I gotta try these small fan sticks. They've been in my box for like 2 weeks, and they keep saying I'm going to use them, try them eventually, so we're going to try it. See how it works. I got the bigger ones. These are the ones that are a little bit smaller. If it works out, then I'll use it. If it doesn't, then we'll put the Sakamata on, a new one. I'm running out of the green ones. Let's see what this thing does, what it looks like. It does about the same thing as the Sakamatas do. Might even be a little heavier. So I'll grab it. There we go, man. Another good bass, I think. Yep. On the old fan stick. Slammed it. Well, I'll have to get more of these, even though I have a couple packs. Work pretty good. It's another good one. I mean, it's not as big as the other one, but get a quick front camera. Pretty good. Good fish. Bass on the fan stick. That is the first fish, or first bass, I believe, that I've caught on this. Now all of a sudden it doesn't want to stay up on the hook. Gonna have to rehook it. There it is. Really good looking color. Looks just like a shad or something. That one just slammed the thing. I was jigging the other way, like going to my left like this. I don't usually get fish like that. I'm usually always this way. This spot is coming alive though. And we'll stick into this spot for quite a while. At least until the these weeds and stuff and the lily pads overtake it. then it gets more difficult to fish. It basically becomes unfishable. Unless you're using something, a frog or, something weedless, sort of like this. But I think the fish just kind of leave this area eventually. I felt something screwing with her bait, and I missed that bastard. Holy crap. That one makes me mad. That felt good. Damn it. That felt good. That thing was like, I thought I was like stuck in a weed for a second. And then I just felt the line, or my tip of my rod just like getting slowly pulled. Just take the old cover scat out. Just for another like 5 minutes or something. Man. All right. Damn it. Can't stand it when I get some nice fish. They get more bites and I miss them. Alright, last cast with this, and then I gotta go to the Slab Hunter. Don't got much time anyway. 8:23. Find out where the walleye's at. We don't got much more time. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna call it. It all came down to this one spot here. I fished all day today, at least 5-6 hours, and it all came down to this one corner here. right place, right time, basically. Got 2 nice bass, a couple small ones. We caught the biggest bluegill I've ever caught, the one that I got on the jig to start. And then yeah, I'd like to stay out here later, but it's gonna close pretty soon, so gotta get going here. But yeah, terrible day. Just happened to come here and turn into a decent day. And I did miss two fish. No idea what they were, but both of them felt, or at least one of them felt pretty good. Not too happy about that. And then the other one with the cover scat just a few minutes ago. Wasn't happy about that either. But can't catch them all, so anyways, guys, wouldn't mind, hit that like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.